What did Allah say about His will? Neither a sudden turn to the left or to the right, nor a glance of the one who looks, nor the passing of something in the heart of the one who suddenly thinks of something. It is not excluded from Allah's will. That is, it is all within His will and His decree, His command. He is the one who accurately does what He wills. No one can reject His judgment and decree. No one can pursue Him to overturn it. A servant cannot escape from sin without Allah's favor and mercy. A servant cannot find strength for worship without the love and will and consent of Allah. This is the meaning of the dhikr. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. This is explained in the hadith. Al-Bayhaqi mentions this in his book Shu'ab al-Iman. Our Master sallallahu alaihi wasallam was asked about the meaning of La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. He replied in the hadith mentioned in Al-Bayhaqi Shu'ab al-Iman. What did he say? There is no way to turn away from Allah's sins such as drinking, gambling, adultery and lying. Illa. Only with Allah's protection. And this refers to His will. Because unless Allah wills something, it cannot happen. So if Allah wills that you are protected from that sin, you can get rid of that sin. What is Mawla looking at? He looks at whether you want to be protected or not. He looks at how you use the limited will and power He has given you. If you use your will and power to get rid of it, then the Lord uses His will and power in that direction, even though He does not have to. So you can get rid of that sin. Otherwise, even if you are an awliya, the greatest awliya, a kutub, a gavs, you fall into sin, unless Mawla saves you and protects you. La hawla, there is no turning back from sins. Illa billah, it depends on the future, only with the protection of Allah. What does wala quwwata mean? There is no finding strength for Allah's worship. With Allah's help, that is it. Our Master sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave the meaning of this in the hadith. Now there are people who are trying to figure out what it means, but the meaning in the hadith cannot be overstated. Without Allah's help, no one has the power to perform any worship. What does it mean? You cannot pray 2 rak'ahs. You cannot make an ablution. You cannot raise your hand for iftitah takbir. You always need Mawla's help. And His help depends on His will. And His will depends on His eternal knowledge. These are inseparable. Allah knew everything in eternity and willed it accordingly. And He has created accordingly. This is what predestination and fate are all about. The importance of will is to understand the attribute of will